Here is my second DEll notebook, XPS13. I was already have before the same model. This is the box, purpose laptop, and this is the chargers. Somebody took from my car when my car was flat tires. I changed the tire, and somebody took from my car at the time. So I've been fall in love to this model of the laptop. So that's why now I purchased another one. This is just received from Jakarta, which I purchased. Probably they sent me last week. And now we are unboxing. Here we go. Yeah. Here is the box. Many tape they put to get it secure, maybe. Just got it, the plastic. Okay. Hang on. Let's see. Yep. Yes. This is the back. Let me see what the content inside. This is the back. DEll. Alright. What was it? Oh, this is a dongle. PGA adapters. DEll. Genuine DEll. This is an accessories. So now let me see the laptop. How it works. Okay, hang on. Yep. Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just I have two, but this only left box. This only box. The laptop already gone. Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the invoice. Amazing. Incredible laptop. Very hard to open. Yeah. That's one I likes from this model. This is guarantee card. Let me try. I put plastic laminating to protect the cover, to avoiding the scratch, and also I put in here plastic laminating because this is a touch screen model, very thin. I think it should be less 1 kilogram. Amazing. So you can see from here. Here, 13 inches laptop. This is the card reader, USB, and the other one is USB. This is mini USB. Hang on. Sorry, this is the card readers. And let's see the series. This is the chargers. I have two chargers. That's why I think it should I put on the box, put back on the box again and keep it. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.